For the ultimate comfort meal, make this tried and true creamy split pea soup. It's a classic soup that is both simple and delicious. To make this dish, the first thing to do is add the peas into a large pot over high heat. Pour in the water next, then add in the shallots, carrots, celery, salt, ground black pepper, granulated garlic, bay leaf, and the ham bone. Once the soup almost reaches a boil, reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 1.5 hours. Now take out the ham bone and bay leaf. Then, add in the cream cheese. Whisk until incorporated, then return the now diced ham into the pot. Whisk the ingredients together before transferring to a serving bowl. Garnish with parsley and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.